Well, I'm back again. I must be a glutton for punishment. I'm back, guys. Hartenstein. Oh, why? In the same box. That's the problem. It's the same box. One box, two Jalen Suggs numbered cards. 107 out of 199. What is this? If this is 108, I'm gonna flip shit. It is. Look at this. Look at this. Donovan Klingen. What did I say about another Donovan Klingen card? What did I say? I mean, I'm not gonna rip it. Is he like... You're shitting me. I don't know what to say. I told myself I wouldn't be opening up another box of these until I came back from Japan. But then I went and watched the Grizzlies game and we won. And we won because I opened that second box. So here we are. We're gonna go one more time. We are going to hit our dream catcher or presentation in this box. We're gonna open up one more hobby box of NBA Hoops 2024-25, and for sure we're hitting it. I'm calling it right now, guys. The hunt begins. Let's go. Last minute deciding to turn this into a can I make my money back video. If you enjoy this type of content, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Here we are again. We're doing one more box, one more hobby box of Panini NBA Hoops 24-25 in search of those dream catchers and presentations. I really hope I hit one tonight. But to celebrate the Grizzlies on their first win, back from that lost streak, we're gonna open up one more box here, 24 packs. Yeah, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna make it work. Make it work. Let's get started. All right, we can go to transition now. All right, and we're back. Here we are, 24 packs, 24 more chances to pull one of those presentation cards, 24 more chances to pull a Wemby Dreamcatcher. I can feel it. Let's go. Let's get right into it. I'm really starting to love opening up these NBA Hoops packs because it's just getting so familiar, you know? Like it just feels good. Feels like normal to do now. Peyton Pritchard, our rookie. Oh no, not our rookie. Our rookie was on the second one. Jalen Tyson. That's weird. Julian Champagne. Dylan Brooks. Siakam. Finney Smith there. And on the back we have Trey Murphy. All right, here we go. We got next. Bronny Jr. or James Jr. Bronny James Jr. on the we got next. Why do they put them in these poses? That's something that's been confusing me about basketball cards this whole time. I don't really understand the poses that they get these guys to do on these shoots. Oh, LeBron right at the front. I should have done my Bronny challenge. Ah, damn. I was gonna do a LeBron Bronny challenge. See if we can get them all at once, but or like in sequence next to each other. But that's for another video. Vija. Oh, we got our first backwards. Who's on the back? Evan Mobley. All right, here we go. Upside down. Who have we got? It's probably just Spurs. Okay. B Wemby or B oh man, the names are blanking on me right now. All right, let's just see who it is. Harrison Barnes. Really? All right, Harrison Barnes on the textured. Weird. Would not have thought Harrison Barnes would have been there. Why is it doing this? Packs are extra glued or something. Jokic right off the top with the tribute. Bronny. Chris Paul. Nurkic. DeAndre Ayton. Jordan Hawkins. I think it's another we got next, isn't it? Koulibaly. Oh, no it's not. Jared McCain. Oh, it is we got next, but I think it's foil. Yeah, we got next on the silver. All right. I mean, it's better than the we got next without the silver, let's say, right? So give it a little wiggle there, loosen it up. Jason Tatum. Why is the rookie on the second slot every time now? Devin Vassell, Şengün, Mathurin, Cam John. Ooh, what is that? What is that? Okay, well we got the silver on the back of, oh, Jaren Jackson Jr. Go Grizz. Let's go. Okay. All right. We take it. We take it. What is this? Oh, it's Rockets. And Menton? Maybe. Oh, Yao Ming. Yo, Yao Ming on the foil high voltage. Look at that. That looks sick. Yo, why do they have so many Yao Ming cards all of a sudden? That's so weird. We need to get a Yao Ming number to 88. That's gotta be the chase from here on. Yao Ming number to 88. And then if we can get it numbered 08 out of 88, then we know. Then we know we should go buy a lottery ticket. All right. Oh, wrong side. Steph right off the top. Why is it? It's a hoopla on the back. We know that. Why is it? Oh, go Grizz. Jalen Wells. Sohan. Devin Booker. Trey Murphy. Oh no. Antonio Reeves. This was backwards. Is this our autograph? I think this is our autograph. Yeah, it's our autograph. And then who do we have for the Trae Young for the hoopla? Our rookie autograph is Antonio Reeves, number 12. He puts his number in his autograph? That's interesting. And then who do we have on the back? Cam Christie. Okay. Trae Young on the hoopla, base hoopla. Nothing to write home about, I'm afraid. It's an alright signature. I mean, better with the number there than without. It's not numbered, this one. I realized the other one that we got was numbered to 25, which is nice, but again, it was of somebody that I don't think anyone's looking for those cards. Couldn't find a price or comp on it at all. Let's see what we got here. No idea. Jalen Brunson. Is that Collier? Is our rookie. Yep. Caleb Martin. Scotty Barnes. Marcus Sasser. Bagley. And then Alexander Sarr. Alexandre Sarr. And PJ Washington Jr. on the anti-gravity. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Go to the right. I'm going to go to the bottom. I'm going to go to the bottom of the next one. All right. Ant-Man right off the top. Cody Williams. Kyle Lowry. RJ Barrett. Isaiah Stewart. Kuz. Who are you covering, Kuz? Banchero. Upside down, backwards. Be something good. It's probably just textured. Yeah. Textured. Jose Alvarado. Textured. Not gonna complain though. Not yet. We're gonna go to the bottom. We're gonna do this one. Have a feeling. This is my feeling. That we will for sure Yao Ming. Okay. I have less of a feeling now. Yao Ming, Taylor Larson, Chris Middleton, Zach Collins, Obi Toppin, Grant Williams covering a something. What is that? Oh, Sheesh. Sheesh, De'Aaron Fox on the base. Who's on the back? Kristaps Porzingis. All right, back to the top. Back to the top. Go in order. What do these feel like? They're all messed up. We need to hit a 1 of 1 out of these boxes. We just need to hit a 1 of 1. Draymond Green, Clintman, Caruso, Jalen Green, Malik Beasley, Tyus Jones. On the back, we've got Cade Cunningham. And then this is a Funkadelic for sure. Yeah, number 7. Knicks, Brunson? Jalen Brunson. Okay. I mean, I will take a Funkadelic Jalen Brunson at this point. Yo, look at that. That is beautiful. Okay. All right. Night slightly unruined. Jalen Brunson. Funkadelic. But don't let that be the case. Don't let that be the box hit. Let's go. Few more. Double autograph. We have to believe, chat. Luka. Darren Holmes. Isaiah Joe. Michael Porter Jr. Tim Hardaway. Koulibaly. Luka. Oh, Luka on the throwback. Hello. Who do we have on the back? Tyson Daniels. Luka on the throwback. Yo, okay. I don't mind that either. That's beautiful. The throwback NBA hoops frame. Bro. Look at that. That's very pretty. All right, here we go. Next pack. All right, guys. Getting down to it. About halfway through. Zion? What do we have there? City Edition, maybe? Bruce Brown, Brandon Miller, Cole Anthony. City Edition. Donovan Mitchell. I think we have one of these already. And who you're hiding? Sadiq Bey. All right. Much fewer numbered cards in this pack. Much fewer. Which means it must be saving all of its energy for one big presentation hit. Right now. Shai, Filipkowski, Trent, DiVincenzo, White, Monk. No, Ignition. Banchero, Ignition. Who you hiding? Kawhi? Okay. Next. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this pace a little bit better. I'm still very, very new to the hobby, so I end up wanting to like take my time with it. Irving, Carter, PJ Washington Jr., Jaden McDaniels, but we don't need to see that much base all the time. All right, who are you hiding? Jordan Clarkson. Terry Eason. City Edition. Big City Edition one. Old City Edition one. Press proof? No. What is this? What is this? Jimmy Butler. Okay. But what? Oh. Nice. On the Silver City Edition. Okay. I will take a Butler. I don't mind that. That's beautiful. That's really pretty. I just got myself a Jimmy Butler jersey actually, because I've always wanted one of the Vice jerseys from the Heat, because it looked cool, but I wasn't gonna pay like full price on a Heat jersey, not my team, right? Shaedon Sharp, and then the trade happened where Jimmy went to the Warriors, and suddenly, like literally the day after, the Heat store, all Butler merchandise was 50% off. And I was like, that's hilarious. And I looked up like why, and they didn't say it was because of the trade. They said it was because of President's Day. It just happened to be President's Day as well. Brandon Ingram on the back. We have Jim Butler again. There we go. Jim Butler on the silver. Nice. I like that. That's cool. And then who we have here? What do we have? Textured? Isaiah Collier. Textured. No. Oh, whoa. Okay. Isaiah Collier, 19 out of 75 on the Red Dragon. This is 2 Red Dragons now in 2 boxes. So that's kind of cool. I'll take that. I like that. Nice. Isaiah Collier is a little bit less disappointing than the other guy. I'll be entirely honest with you. But the color on the other one looked better. So, I don't know. Hard to say. It'd be really nice to get like a Luka or a Shy on one of those. But you can make it up to me. Give me a Shy presentation right now. Zach Edey. Go Grizz. Paul Anthony Town. Tyler Hero. Where are you hiding, Tyler? Jordan Poole. Oh, red back. Josh Hart. Nice. And a Nobility Tyrese. Nice. Red back and a Nobility. Okay. Let's get this red back one. We've gotten at least 1 red back in every box, hey? So I wonder how short printed they are. I wonder what the population is for that. That'd be interesting to find out. Alright. Here it is. This is going to happen right here. Shepard, Kellel Rare, Prince, Barnes, Halliburton, Reggie Jackson, who's on the back, Daniel Gafford. Nope. We got next Cam Christie. On the base too. Not even some of the nicer ones. Make sure the cards are all aligned in there before I start wiggling them like that. Hello? No? Oh, it doesn't want to go yet. Okay. There we go. Shy on the tribute. Donovan Clingan. I'm so sick of seeing Donovan Clingan. I'm so sick of sorting his cards away. Gray Dick. Don Somu. Fultz. What is that? That's so pretty. Holy hell, that's pretty. Ja Morant tribute, numbered to 149. 121 out of 149. Yo, okay. I can't complain anymore. That's a very pretty card. That's a very pretty numbered card. I'll go ahead and pop that in here. Hello. On the neon green tribute. There we go. Look at that. Ja Morant. Neon green tribute. Let's put him right here. And then we still have one more card here. What is it? Now playing Johnny Furphy. Johnny Furphy needs to get a haircut. Just saying. You can't have a name Furphy and then also have your hair like that. That's wild. Kuminga, Dadier, Zion, Donovan Mitchell, Kawhi, Darius Garland. Who's on the back? Juju Jackson. Go Grizz. Grizz heavy box. I can't complain. This is just textured, right? SGA? Casey Wallace. Oh no, it's not. It's a numbered to 199. Okay. Okay. There's our numbered packs. Kind of picking it up a little bit. Because I haven't seen that many numbers in this, which is a little scary. There was just 2 others, I think. Let's take a look real quick. Because there was just this one of Isaiah Collier. And then, yeah. Yeah, those are the only numbered ones we got. 3 numbered cards in a single box? Is that normal? Whoops. Top loader. Keep forgetting it's top loader for these. Hello. There we go. Top loaded. All right. Isaiah Collier. Okay. We have 6 more packs. That means we have a quarter of the chance left to do this. Hello? Or that. That's fine too. All right. Dalton. Connect 4. AJ Johnson. Bobby Portis. Branham. Zubac. Mark Williams, who are you hiding? James Harden on the back there. Another we got next. Shepard. Reed Shepard. So far, nothing crazy. Jalen Williams, Bub Carrington, Eric Gordon, Precious, Vukovic, Herder, DiVincenzo, and Tyrese Maxey on the base ignition. 4 packs left. 4 packs to hit a face. Gotta do it. I can feel it. It's right here. And if not, then we've gotten the bad luck out before my flight, which is also good. Buddy Hield, Ron Holland, Kason Wallace, Aaron Gordon, Asar Thompson, put that to the side, Corey Kispert, and a red. Yo, Dylan Jones, red rookie, to 99. All right, 80 of 99. We'll take it. We'll take it. At least we got 1 more numbered. 4 in a 4 in a box. It's not bad. It's not bad. Can't complain. Might end up being my shortest video. What else do we have here? We have a Pacers. Tristan Newton on the textured. Textured. We'll sleeve it. We'll sleeve it. There we go. Sleeved. All right. Last 3. Last 3. Last 3. Stephon Castle. Kyrie. Poor Kyrie. Rudy Gobert. Adebayo. John Collins. On the back, Reed Shepard. And, oh, it's something. It's backwards. Road to the finals. There's our road to the finals. Tyrese. Okay. Numbered. Nice. Conference finals. Numbered to 499, 495 out of 499. Whoa. Almost that bookend, hey? But it's got Tyrese losing by 5 on it. That's kind of cool. We'll take it. We'll take it. It's numbered. It's numbered. It's our lowest numbered road to the finals cards we got. So take it. Take it. Okay, 2 more packs. We're gonna go straight at them. We're gonna go straight at them today. Something? Maybe? Cam Reddish? Dylan Jones? Derrick Rose, go Grizz. Sadiq Bey? Tumani? Wendell Carter? Who's on the back? Bam Adebayo? What is this? Oh, it's now playing. Jacoby Walters, now playing. On the base. Alright. This is it. Right here. Right here. Let's go. Last pack magic. Just gotta pray hard enough. Chet, Alexander Sarr, Emmanuel Quickly, Julius Randle, Patrick Williams, Sabonis on the back, Terry Rozier. No. Just a regular City Edition Jimmy Butler. That's 4 boxes. That's 4 boxes so far with no presentation, no Dreamcatcher. And I watched someone hit 3 in 3 boxes. 1 Dreamcatcher, 2 presentations. Darn. Oh well. That was fun still. I'm very, very glad that we got some stuff. Let's take a look. Let's review real quick. Pull these out here. All right, so we have textured, red back. Is this numbered? No, just silver. City Edition, silver Jimmy Butler. Throwback, silver Luka. Funkadelic Jalen Brunson, can't complain. Antonio Reeves, autograph, rookie autograph. Jaren Jackson Jr. on the silver. Yao Ming, high voltage, silver. Jared McCain, we got next on the silver as well. And then in our numbered cards, we have Isaiah Collier on the Red Dragon. Nice. I really hope I get a few more of these, honestly. I really love the border on them. Road to the Finals, Tyrese Halliburton out of $4.99. Out of 99, I believe, Dylan Jones. Yeah, out of 99, Dylan Jones on the red. Kaysen Wallace out of 199. And then my favorite card so far that I've pulled is this guy. And until I pull the Ja Morant presentation, this will continue to be my favorite. Nice. Ja did really great in the game today. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Do you guys like this pace a little bit better where I go a little bit faster through all of the base vets and then sleeve everything afterwards? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Make sure you do give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you like seeing this type of content. I am going on a plane tomorrow with this guy.
Wow.
My last one. My very last one. I'm going to go on a plane tomorrow. And on the plane tomorrow, I'm going to open it. It'll be fun. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.